leaks. Everything is done. Nitrogen in the system. This was the leak. This was leaking. Burning the nitrogen out from the system. No more leaks. No more leaks detected. I'm going to vacuum the system out now and refill the system with r600a. No moisture in the system. Everything is charged up properly. It is running and cooling. And the gauge says it's cooling. Alright, repair completed. Upon arrival, someone came out here and did a sealed system repair, and it was leaking at the compressor. We had to replace it and relock everything all over again. Recharge the system. System is up and running and it's good to go. Another good seal.